Trump administration announced that over 2,000 employees at the U.S. Agency for International Development were being fired. Several other staffers of the agency working outside the United States have also been placed on paid administrative leave. Now, this comes amid the controversy here in India. Now, Trump, remember, has given 5 warnings in 5 days, and this has created a political storm here in India.
21 million for voter turnout in India. Why are we caring about India turnout?
It's a global headline on the Indian sellouts. The USAID funding in Indian election has created a huge political storm.
कुछ विदेशी ताकतें भारत के लोकतंत्र को कमजोर करना चाहती हैं और अब एक के बाद दूसरे ऐसे जब बातें सामने आ रही हैं तो पता चल रहा है कि एक और जहां जॉर्ज सोरोस के लिंक कांग्रेस पार्टी के बड़े नेताओं के पास पाए गए, उस बिलियनियर की फंडिंग कैसे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सत्ता से बाहर किया जाए उस दिशा में देखी गई और बार बार एक एजेंडा के तहत बहुत बड़ी ताकतें भारत में एक अस्थिर सरकार हो, लोकतंत्र कमजोर हो, उस दिशा में काम करने की बात करती रही।
Prime Minister Modi has hinted at foreign hand.
नेताओं का एक वर्ग ऐसा है जो धर्म का मखौल उड़ाता है, उपहास उड़ाता है, लोगों को तोड़ने में जुटा है और बहुत बार विदेशी ताकतें भी इन लोगों का साथ देकर देश और धर्म को कमजोर करने की कोशिश करती दिखती है।
The opposition is questioning the Modi government.
Malviya is not competent to give any statement in this regard. President Trump has very specifically said, I have given this money to my friend Narendra Modi. It is the responsibility of Pradhan Mantri to specify, to clarify whether he has taken this money or not. Why he is not talking anything?
With the political storm only escalating, it's time to name the Indian sellouts.
All right, joining me on the broadcast is Purnima Nath. She's a geopolitical expert. Ms. Nath, it is time that the name of the Indian sellouts are put out. Prime Minister Modi has talked about a foreign hand involved in Indian backing the anti-Hindu netas. Meanwhile, Trump has given 5 warnings in 5 days. Who do you feel will name out the sellouts first? Is it going to be the Trump government or the Modi government?
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. First of all, the question that you're asking is quite critical. As an Indian citizen, I think you should, every Indian citizen should ask for explanation where the money went, where the recipients who were supposed to be the recipient, and I've been saying that this has to be a joint effort. Of course, obviously, President Trump communicated about it. Although a lot of Indian institutions and individuals and activists have spoken about it in terms of foreign interference, but there was no direct action or even indirect action. I'll tell you some of those things that has happened, and I've seen it in my own eyes. As an Indian-born American citizen, my first priority should be America, and that's exactly how it is. At the same time, because I'm an Indian-born and I was an Indian citizen, India will always be part of my life and my journey as well. And I cannot see harm to either of this country. At the same time, I'll tell you the USCIRF that actually works and working against the Hindu population and Indian interest consistently from 2000, even much before 2020. But you know how this particular organization has been trying to name India as a CPC, country of particular concern, under the garb of human rights and abuse and etc. Why aren't you, as
Right,
a
ma'am.
citizen of the country, are not actually angry about it and
Right.
furious about it? What US aid is trying to do. I have also seen recently that the funding actually significantly went up in 2021, and there's a one name which is popping up from US aid, the Veena Reddy, who's actually Andhra Pradesh born, who
Right,
was
ma'am.
appointed in India, and in the connection to Jagan Reddy, who many of us know that he's actually a Christian. And what is actually going on in India, eradication of Hindus, is significantly concerning for me as an Indian born